unlock the future of technology. Cloud computing is essential for IT professionals and beginners alike. Join me as we explore its significance and the reasons to learn it today. Cloud computing delivers IT services online. Companies leverage providers instead of maintaining physical hardware, truly transforming how we work. For example, Netflix relies on AWS to stream its vast library, while startups can launch innovative apps worldwide without heavy investments in servers. This shift is reshaping industries from entertainment to tech. So, why is cloud computing vital? First, it offers scalability, allowing businesses to adjust resources instantly. Next, there's cost efficiency. You only pay for what you use, eliminating waste. Additionally, it enhances accessibility, enabling you to work from anywhere at any time. Top providers also prioritize security, keeping data safe. Finally, it fosters innovation by letting teams focus on developing great products rather than managing complicated infrastructure, which revolutionizes operational efficiency. Cloud computing job demand is skyrocketing. Roles like cloud engineers and solutions architects are growing rapidly. With over 1 million global openings and top salaries, the opportunities are immense. Ready to future-proof your career? Learning cloud computing is essential. Start today at educamly.com and step into your future in technology.